Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process of tracking moving objects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Fusion tab. Then, head to the top left bar and click on the Effects tab. In the search bar, type Planar Tracker and select it from the results. Next, position your timeline slider where you intend to start the motion tracking. In the Controls section, click on Set. Under the Tracker drop-down menu, choose Hybrid Point. For motion, select Translation. Draw a square box around the object you wish to track. Click the Track Forward button to let DaVinci track the object until the video's end. After tracking, expand the operation mode and pick Stabilize. When you return to the edit screen, you might notice black edges, which DaVinci cropped to keep the object in view. To fix this, zoom in until those edges disappear. That's a wrap. You've now learned how to motion track in DaVinci Resolve 18. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.